Taidong Forest Park, formerly known as Black Forest, is located in the estuary of Beinan River. It is named after the entire area is planned with casuarina for wind protection, and the forest looks dark for a distance. Taidong Forest Park is only a few minutes drive from the city. The first part is a rich estuary and located within acknowledged vast grasslands and large forests.
The bicycle path passes through the casuarina forest and connects Pipa Lake, Living Water Lake. There are 3 lakes in Lulu Lake, and the gentle lanes are very comfortable to ride. It is very suitable for parents and children to ride a bike, enjoy a leisurely afternoon, and enjoy the beautiful afternoon. I hope you can come here too.